I use all sorts of tech in my daily life, but I haven't ever talked about the tech I use every day. In this video, I'll be going over my everyday carry tech for 2020. I'm going to start out with the most mobile of all tech here, that's always with me, my OnePlus 7 Pro. I recently upgraded from a prior OnePlus device, and using the OnePlus 7 Pro is a lot smoother and quicker than before. The camera is much improved and has 3 lenses for those times when you need to zoom in and out. This OnePlus camera is far better than my last OnePlus device, and you can tell from those photos. From the curved 90Hz AMOLED display to the buttery smooth software optimization, and a camera I thoroughly enjoy using, this is now my new daily driver in smartphones. A nice companion for that smartphone is a smartwatch. This is the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier Edition. It has a rugged look housed by stainless steel, giving it excellent scratch resistance, and the IP68 rating means it's not afraid to get splashed on. I mostly use this watch for 2 reasons. Reason 1 being fitness tracking. Having a device that can log all my walks and runs and sync that data with my phone has been my biggest use case for this wearable. The other reason I use a smartwatch is for notifications. Being able to see new notifications right on my wrist makes it easier than ever to see who's calling or texting without having to take out my phone. The added convenience is what keeps it on my wrist. While we're still on the topic of wearables, let's talk about audio. When I'm sitting down to get some work done or just want to drown out the noises of reality, I put on the Sony WH-1000X Mark IIs. The sound quality on these more than makes up for the confusing name. These are considered premium wireless noise cancelling headphones. I'm not an audiophile by any means, but I know a good pair of headphones from a bad set, and these provide a warm and clear sound out of the box, and with some fine tuning in the Sony Headphones app, you can customize every bit of the way these sound. If you're on an airplane or in the car, the active noise cancelling comes in handy and does a good job at minimizing background noise. These headphones, however, can become a little uncomfortable after a few hours, which is why you may want to use these Samsung Galaxy Buds. The Galaxy Buds don't have the greatest sound quality out there, but the full seal around the ear gives a more immersive feel compared to Apple's AirPods. I don't really use these a lot besides when I'm outdoors, going for a walk or run, but wearing these outside is far more discreet than using over-the-ear headphones and won't make you uncomfortable in hotter climates. But enough of the outdoors, and let's go back inside so I can get some work done. Now that I'm back inside, like most of you should be, I get all my work done on this late 2015 Surface Pro 4. Doing schoolwork and writing documents isn't a problem at all for this thin and light tablet laptop, but when you get into intensive tasks like video editing, you'll start to notice the shortcomings of such a thin device. Battery life after close to 5 years is pretty bad at this point. Keeping around 10 or so tabs open in Chrome and streaming some music on Spotify will eat away this battery in under an hour, so it's a good idea to always keep the power cable close by. Despite those shortcomings, it still works for now, and it's been reliable enough to get everything done for me. When I sit down and edit those videos, I like to offload my projects and photos from my phone onto this Samsung T5 portable SSD. Samsung makes a lot of portable SSDs, and all of them are extremely quick compared to a spinning hard disk. I can't recommend these enough. SSD prices continue to drop lower and lower, and there's no reason not to pick one up if you're in the market for a portable storage solution. Since I'm almost always on the go, except for now, this is the perfect way for me to always have my files in one secure place. With all these tech products I've just talked about, they all have their ups and downs, but one thing they all have in common is that I enjoy using them to their fullest potential to make my life easier and more fun on the go. This is my everyday carry for mid-2020. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to more tech content every week. If you want to see a video on how I make my videos, please leave a comment down below. Stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.